Okay, so hello everyone, this is me, your host Abhinandan Joshi, and welcome back to the third lecture series on the dark web. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you how you can create an anonymous mail account in the dark web, or you can say you can even use it in the soft. So, let's start with the video. So, this is my local machine. So, firstly, what I am going to do is in my system, just a sec. I'm just opening an incognito window, in which firstly I just need anonymous identity. So for anonymous identity, I have some name, address, something like that. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take use of which randomly generates fake identity. So what I'm going to do is fake name generator.com .org, sorry, and it would redirect me to the official page. Okay, so now I just want a male identity who is Chinese for now, and he's in United States. So I'm just going to generate a new identity. So as you can see, I have generated a new identity which even includes every single thing I need. I can even get a QR code for this identity for use. So what I am going to do is I'm going to create a mail account on Proton Mail. Proton Mail is basically anonymous emails over all the internet. It's an end-to-end encrypted mail service provider on which your mails are more secure, encrypted, and are away from all the trackers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new account in it. You can read all the documentations. I'm just going to go and create a new account. Okay, so there are three versions available for it. The second one is the Mail Plus subscription, and the third one is the Proton Unlimited. So the is the Mail Plus or the Proton Unlimited version. My suggestion to you is to buy through any cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or opinion. If you want my opinion in this, buy this through Monero. Okay, don't use a card credentials because we are creating an anonymous account. So yeah, I'm running with the free version. So it's loading, it's asking me for a username. So what I am going to do is I'm going to use this as my username. And just create a random password. Okay, so there is an issue with that. I'm just using the one. Create account. Username is already existing. Just create a new account, new identity. Yahoo. It's also used. Let's change the country for the England. Okay, I think this one must not be used. Just creating an account. This also exists, so I'm just including an extra N in it. Okay, so it's asking me. So for it, what I am going to do is I'm going to use a temporary email. So I'm going to use a temporary email provider service, which is tempmail.org, for saving the mail. So this is a disposable email provider service which basically provides you a 10-minute of based Gmail, or you can say mail account, by which you can easily get any mail from a service provider. So I'm getting this as my mail ID. I'm going to use it in the sign up page. So it is saying that there are potentially abusive traffic, so I have to change it. Email address verification disabled for this domain. Okay, so it is saying that this domain, that is appnsea.com, is not a trusted domain, and it's asking me to change the domain. So what we can do here is that we can use an anonymous email forwarding website to directly forward this mail so that we can verify it by using my temporary email. So what service we can use is Anonymity. So here I'm just into the Anonymity page. I'm just going to do the sign up, and it's a open source web page, by the way. So here it's asking me for username. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same identity for creating the username for my Anonymity account, and it's asking me for the mail account. Then I'm going to use the temporary mail account and just a random password. TIG, accept, register. Okay, JYG. What's happening? Okay. Okay, so it's asking me to verify. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into my temporary mail and check if here I've got the mail from Anonymity for verification of my email ID at Anonymity. What I'm going to do is verify my account from here. Yep. So here I'm redirected back to the dash, which is a forwarding website, which basically anonymously forwards all my email which is received on that email. So I'm just going to create an alias for my new page. That's an Anonymity. Okay, I'm just going to create an alias for my default page. Okay, now I'm going to the sign up page and use this web page instead of my the main temporary mail address. So let's get back to the verification code. As you can see that the code or the Gmail has been accepted by the Proton Mail. So what I am going to do is check my Anonymity that if here or not. I'm just going to refresh. So you can see that there are 1 forwards. So let's get back to my temp mail, back to the inbox, and here we're going to check where the mail has. You can see that I have received the Proton verification. So this is the code 223868 223868. So I'm just going to verify it. Boom, we have created a new account of Proton Mail without even using your own original identity. So I'm going to use this only. So it's asking me for a temp mobile number. You can even do this by just getting a temporary mobile number from temp mail. It's just need around $1 or $2 to get a new temporary number online. So you can directly pay it through the cryptocurrency too. Okay, so currently I'm just using maybe later, or I'm just skipping this part. So here you can see we are now authorized and we are having an encrypted mail account without even using our identity. Yep. So by using this, now I can do anything I want to do. For example, I want to send an email to this temporary mail. Hey, hello world. So I'm just sending this mail to check whether the mail is working or not. So I'm just getting back to my temporary mail account and just going to check whether this is okay. It's not received yet. I think it might take some time too. Okay, there might be some issue, but it might seconds. Okay, so what I can do here is that I can easily to my Gmail account. Like for example, if I'm doing something more encrypted, don't want all the emails, all the clients or my members or my colleagues to directly access my Gmail account, so what I can do is I can share my Proton Mail account with them, and this is how Proton Mail automatically forward into my original account. And this is how I might hackers and my inbox would be so yeah, as you can see, the new mail has see, this is my new, this is a secured mail account by Proton domain. So yeah, this is how you can make a Gmail, or you can say mail account, without using your own identity. So I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.